Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. Today we are doing a Topbox. Oh man, I want to say I'm excited. What's the word? I can't think of the word. Apprehensive or just curious, I guess. We'll see. You know, well, if you've been watching my videos, you know what Topbox is. Let's start off with that, I guess. It is a Canadian monthly beauty subscription. We pay about $15 to get it, and it can be quite disappointing. We've had some good boxes and some bad boxes and some okay boxes, so it's like all over the place, and I don't know. But let's just go ahead and get into it and see what we got this month. All right. Well, I see something interesting on the top. We've got like a letter that talks about the roller lash. Oh, that is a good mascara. That is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Mascara for every lash. So it's just a little pamphlet that talks about the mascara. So I'm hoping that is in here, because if not, that would be very, very disappointing. All right, let's see. Oh, again, well, I just mentioned in my mystery box unboxing, I hate these things. Okay, what do we got? Ooh, okay, so we do have that mascara. I went digging because I really wanted to know. Oh my god, my nose. We do have it. It is a great mascara. I love the wand. It's just small, thin, and a little bit curved. It is a really great mascara, and I'm super excited to put this in my stash. Also, if you haven't tried the new Benefit magnet one, that's a really good one too. I've been really enjoying that. Okay, so the next thing we have is I can't even figure out how to say it. Nioxin Instant Fullness Dry Cleanser. I don't know if I even said that right. You can see that on there. This is what it is. And absorbs oil for lightweight, fullness, and dense looking hair. Spray on dry hair roots, brush through, style as usual. Huh. I've never heard of this brand, but I love a good a volumizing hair thing, because my hair tends to, like, after one night, like, I'll wash it yesterday and then it just flattens. Hate that. So I'm excited to give that a try. It's not bad. Two great products so far, I think. Hopefully that's a good product. I've never heard of that brand, so we'll see. We just can't escape her. It's Manna Kadar, y'all. We have got Step 3 Lip Locked Priming Gloss Stain. Is that what it said? Gloss Stain. This is the packaging. Let's see. Manna Babe. I repeated myself like 3 times. Ooh. Okay, I'm not usually for this color, but lately I'm kind of feeling it. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Like, it's a nice fuchsia color. I kind of want to put it on. I'm not gonna lie. This is the first Manna Kadar product that I'm like a little bit excited about. Let's do it. Let's put on Manna Kadar lipstick and see how I feel about it. Okay, I've got it on. It's not bad. I mean, it's not sticky. It's pigmented. It looks really nice. It's very shiny. What was it called again? It's a lip locked priming gloss stain. I don't know why they call it Step 3. I would like to figure that out, but so far I'm impressed. Doesn't really go with the look that I'm going for, but that's okay. I've never said that about a Manna Kadar product, but I like it. I think I just got, didn't I just get a color like this? Oh yeah, my Mother's Day box. The cab one was very similar to this color, and I really enjoyed wearing that too. Okay, let's move on to the last product in the box, which is in bubble wrap. So, guessing eyeshadow or something? Yes, we've got Bombshell. This is a good brand. I've tried a few of their products now. If it would focus. There we go. What have I tried? I believe it's just lipsticks. I believe so. I don't think I've gotten any eyeshadows or anything from them. Then again, I can never remember. My memory sucks. So it says Dublin on it. So is that the eyeshadow? I don't know. I'm having a hard time getting this out. Hold on. These are my colors. So we've got like a green, a pink, and a black. Oh no, maybe that's an olive green. Ooh. Not. Okay, so you have to build it a little bit, but that's one of the greens. Ooh. Ooh, that's the other green. Oh, I'm in love. I've got it all over my hand trying to build it up. And then the other ones are just more like nude colors, so I'm not going to bother to swatch them because I have a feeling they're not going to swatch very well. But I'm really excited to have this palette. This is cute. I can't wait to test these colors. I am all about the greens right now. I love, love, love the nudes. So yeah, what do you guys think? This month's box wasn't too bad. So we got, actually, I really like the packaging of this too. It's got the girl on the front there too. So what do we think? We've got a pretty good box. I mean, I'm actually impressed with the lip stuff. It's not sticky. It's not fading off or anything. So you know what? Manna Kadar, you might have just won with this lip gloss. Or lipstick, lip stain. Priming gloss stain. That's very interesting. Anyway, so we got these two. We got the hair stuff. And we've got roller lash. Not bad for this month's top box. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, that's all I have for you in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.